Hi, hello, hello, hello. Um, well, hello, and welcome to Super Monkey Star streaming directly from A-Lab Amsterdam in this sunny afternoon. I mean evening. Very good. Apparently the sound is okay and the music is also okay. We have already no copyright music, so because this is the music from our game, so we own the copyright. Thank you, Twitch. So, well, we own the copyright and our friends, so we are clear. Uh, Today, I'm gonna try to implement a little bit of. Let me put the camera. Okay. Okay. Today, I'm gonna try to implement a little bit of more. Show you guys how can we implement a couple of objects in Super Monkey Star. I have to say that probably the game will be almost ready, or we plan to soft launch or launch. We don't know yet exactly the dates or anything, but we are aiming for a release in days, basically. Um, we produced today fairly enough build. I mean, fairly okay. I think we are reaching a point that the gameplay is good enough, or at least we are lucky. We are happy with it. Sorry. Hello everyone on the channel. Hi Resillon. Hola Resillon. How is it going? Basically, I was saying that we have ready a kind of build for Android, and we are very happy with it. We have had some feedback from outside, and apparently it's positive, so it's good. Also, I would like to make a kind of announcement because I can show you we are gonna be present on AnimeCon 2017 here in the Netherlands. It's in the website is so, but it's a nice place to go and see some anime, play some games, and play Super Monkey Star live with us there. In June 9 till 11. Actually, we are going to be there on Saturday, 10th of June. You are all invited to come to see us, meet us in person, see how many things these people from manga fans, otakus, and the like they have prepared. They will have, cosplays and stuff like that. They will have nice arcade cabinets and stuff like that. Unfortunately, you have to buy a ticket, but it's pretty cheap. So if you can visit the Netherlands for that, then The Hague is a nice city, super easy to drive by and everything. Everyone is nice. The biggest manga and anime convention in the Netherlands. So I hope that we will see you there. We will be there with our fancy banners and stuff, merchandising and everything. So I'm gonna try to start. I'm gonna load a level and I'm gonna try to show you. Ooh, whoa. No. Okay, what I'm going to try today is I'm going to show you how we can implement. We have several kind of coins in the game. Right now we have yellow coins and we have red coins, and we wanted to have black coins, so we made a black coin. If you know a little bit of Unity, and if you don't, you only need to think as a prefab, as a container, something like that. We have made a prefab already out of that. black coin collected, which is the particle that you see when you collect it. Here are the particle details and stuff like that. And then we need to, or I need to check which one is the one. Ah, yeah, the gold coin. Let me check, where is it? Red coin. Yeah, the red coin is in... Ah, yeah, obstacles, prefabs, of course. The black coin is here. As you can see, it's black, obviously. Probably will give you... We were thinking about giving another... This is the yellow coin, this is the red coin, and this is the black coin. So, the first thing that we need to do, or I need to do, is create a pooler, which is a solution for saving memory. If you know, this is a prefab, which is a bunch of components in Unity. And what we do is we basically instantiate it. We give memory to the object, and we create the object in memory, and it will appear on the game with everything. Basically, the animator, the sprite renderer, that in this case will show the sprite with the material for the sprite, and then the collider that makes the whole thing work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to open, for example, red coin pooler, so then you can see the code. It's a pretty standard solution, generic solution. I'm gonna make just for those people. I don't know if you can see properly the code, but I hope so. And then I explained this already, but I can explain it again, no worries. What we do is basically we say to the system, okay, whenever you start, you can create an instance of yourself and go and grab all the coins that we tell you to grab, like in this case 20, more or less. And then at the beginning, the system will say, okay, how many coins do I have to create? At the very beginning, whenever you start the game. Put this there. Whenever you start the game, you simply say, okay, I'm gonna instantiate with this loop. You instantiate whatever you have in the pooling system, and you put it somewhere in the hierarchy. This is for this transform parent. Current transform is for the hierarchy, so I want to put it below this. I switch it off because I don't want to show it, and then I put it on the list. I create a list of red coins, which is this one, which is at the beginning of the game, is empty because we didn't start. Whenever I press play, this will be filled. I can show you. You are patient enough. Yep. Unfortunately, also I'm realizing now that my OBS is broken, but it's okay. I guess it's not that important. And well, I don't know if you can see there, but then the machine already put like 20 objects, 20 red coins, ready for being instantiated. And this coin is somewhere in the game, I don't care, somewhere in the screen, probably in the middle, because it has it's switched off. If I switch it on, well, you cannot see it because it's below the behind the logo, but if I put it here and I switch it on, you can see the red coin there. Okay, fair enough. So I'm gonna replicate the same behavior with another script for black coins. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a new script. Utils. I don't remember where we were pulling it, but yeah, here in the root. I don't know if it's so. I'm gonna create a new C# script. I'm gonna call it black, of course, black coin puller. I'm gonna open this script, this brand new script. Yes, reload please. And simply simply what I'm gonna do is copy and paste the code. Fancy, huh? Professionals doing so. Okay. Copy paste. This is good. Then I'm gonna change his name to black coin. Okay. I'm gonna change this variable again. Also for pulled black coins amount. I'm gonna remove this because this is a little bit misleading, because if it's public and then I define it here, this is okay, it's not bad from a C# point of view perspective. But the problem is, like, Unity has the editor interface, and then if you make it public, it will appear somewhere here. Somewhere here, and then here, this value will override the value that I write here. So it makes no sense to make it here in the code. Will grow through. Sorry, I will let that on. I don't care. That's okay-ish. Then I think I have nothing else. I don't think so. Let's rebuild the solution because it's sorry. Because we are doing basically what we are doing is defining a current static black coin puller, and then making the black coin puller whenever it is awake, so whenever appears on the game or it starts, then it assigns itself to the black coin puller as a static object, and then we can access from all the game, no problem whatsoever. Okay, looks good enough for me. Then I have the code, which creates a component. Then I need to create a new object here, an empty object. I'm gonna call it black coin puller. This black coin puller will. I don't know if we tag it. No. Okay. Sorry. Haven't slept much, apparently. We put the black coin puller here, and then we say, okay, we need the black coin puller is asking for a pull black coin object, and this object is going to be the black coin, of course. I don't know why this is like this. Coins one, for example. Okay, so if, for example, if you see right now, I switch on the object, so it should be visible, but it is not. Why? Because it's not full of anything but placeholders, which is basically the position where we want to have the coin. If I hit play now, the puller, which is in charge of recognizing, okay, give coins. And then there is a special script here that is called fill obstacles with objects. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just find out why it's not working, because it has to be switched off and then on again. The fill obstacles with objects will take care of putting the object there. In this case, it's 2 because I made a mistake, and you know what I mean. Plus, the algorithm is not bulletproof, so we will have problems or issues and errors. So, okay, I'm gonna open this script and I'm gonna check if we take care of the black coins, and we don't. So I'm gonna start doing so. Basically, we need to tell the script that there is now a black coins puller in action. I didn't know why is that there, but let me check. Yeah, black coin puller. Okay, so like this we find out where our object is on the hierarchy, and Unity will know it. Probably this is not pretty optimized, but we find out that this is not that heavy performance-wise, so it's not really a problem. We think that it is not a problem. Then this script, what it does is that on enable, which is whenever the object is active on the hierarchy on the screen, then it will look for the father and it will assign childs to it. That's why when I switch on this before, it didn't work. Now if I do like this, it will work. I can show you quickly.
Your attention, please. And now the moment we've been waiting for is here.
And now, if you pay attention to this, if I switch it on, bam, you can get, the fill obstacle with object script talks to the puller and says, give me coins, and then it puts the coins on the proper place. Actually, it doesn't need to, because Unity is handy enough to, if you make a child of an object, that object will be at the father's position if you put the local position to 0, and that's exactly what we do. How do you say, this is the loop to do so. We check the tags, so therefore we need to be sure that the black coin prefab, in this case, which is this one, is tagged properly, and it is not.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
There are a lot of things we don't understand either.
We need answers from you.
Yeah, let me
What did
see.
you expect to find? What did you expect to
What's
find?
gonna be our future?
It's your responsibility to
No,
do
actually,
something
what
about
it needs to be,
Well, I have the key in my hand. All I have to find
well,
is
it
the
needs
lock.
to be properly
The lock. The lock.
Now listen to me, all of you.
tagged. Is a placeholder, of course. Fortunately, I don't remember very well the architecture of this game, even though we made it. But yeah, the placeholder has to be tagged as red coin, and probably also the coin itself, because it needs to be recognized later on, I believe. In any case, I'm gonna double check it. Yeah, good. So good. I saved the project to tell Unity to save the prefab, then I stage for my repository. Very good. Okay. Okay, so the only thing I need to do now actually is select all, tag them as black coin. I think I can change the name of all of them at the same time. I'm not pretty sure about this, but I hope so. Yes. It's a little bit annoying because then you don't really know which object is which by the name, but we don't use the name, and I don't recommend to use the name. So I'm gonna make the logic for filling it with the proper coin. In this case will be I think it's black coin, right? Yup, black coin. I don't know if you can see it. Well, it depends on the resolution that you're watching me and things like that, but I'm sorry if you don't see it.
Yeah, you creeping out there on the dance floor. I want you to put your hands together like that. Come on. Yeah, see it. Yeah, there you go. Just move your left leg. That's it. Yeah, with the come on.
And then we actually instantiate the dummy object, and probably if we found it, we put the dummy object whenever it is, local position 0, found false, and that's all. Yeah, and probably this is on reset at. And we need to make the same mechanism, because whenever whenever the coin is out of the screen or is being collected by the player, we need to tell the whole system to okay, take it back again to the cooler. Good. This is for the lasers, and I believe that's all. Good. I'm gonna make a quick try. So let's see. Hopefully it works. compiling, sorry. Good, and now I switch it on, and voila, black coins. Nice. Okay, so I need to tell the group that is an obstacle going black, because it's that one. I like what I have done, so I'm gonna save the prefab that we use. Yes, save. I'm gonna try not to forget which one is it. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna stage it. This one as well. Level generator not necessarily. Project settings, it's okay. The meta file as well. We need a meta file, otherwise Unity gets crazy. We don't need this file. I'm gonna remove it. Oh, no, man. Ah, come on. Jesus, seriously. Anyways. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, it works. So. Now we need to test it on the game. No, I don't need to save anything here. Let's open one level. We have one level. Okay, now I need to see if the level designer will accept coin black. Okay, it accepts black coins, so I'm gonna make a little hack here. I'm gonna tell this that I have black coins, and then this is 0, and I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna make black coins and give me black coins. Please give me more black coins. Black coins. Good. So now, in theory, if I press play, I will have black coins. But this is all theoretical, huh? I mean, that doesn't mean that it will work. I could have made a mistake, and making mistakes is normal, easy, and good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, not giving me black coins. And I think I know why. Probably because, okay, level design manager, it accepts that this obstacle can be black, but probably the level generator, the one that is in charge of actually making the whole thing, interpreting what in the world I need to instantiate at that moment, probably that one doesn't know about black coins yet. But I'm gonna make him understand that we have black coins. Okay. here. And here it is. What? Come on. Really? Obstacle tag, obstacle going black. So it should work. Let me see. Do. The problem that we have here is probably that the okay, yeah. Yeah, I need to put a debug log here or, yeah, well, an error. Actually, how is it called? Obstacles Masters? I think so. So I could explain a little bit in a really high level way. Like basically what we do is we read a spreadsheet from somewhere, normally from Google Sheet, and then we pass that to memory, and then we read which kind of obstacle type do you have, and then once we know it, and it's here, okay, I read the kind of obstacle type that you have, depending on the obstacle type. And I don't like this because you are basically comparing strings. It shouldn't be like that. But anyways, because it's prone to error, I can misspell something and then it will never work. But I guess it works. So then we check the obstacle coin and then we say, okay, it's an obstacle coin black. So we go to the pool of all the groups that we have from the master, and we start, as you see here, we start looping, and whenever we loop for more than 30, we make more than 30 loops and we don't find it, then yeah, but this is of course this is also wrong, because 30 was the number when we only had 30, but now we have like 200, something like that. I don't really know how many. But I'm gonna put 200 because a loop of 200 is not that much. And then we look for all the groups that they are not already on the screen, and if it's the same kind of tag, then we say it's a valid obstacle, and then we spawn it. The problem here is like we didn't look we looked deeper enough, and then also we need to put a stop otherwise we freeze the machine. Not good, because it's an infinite loop, because this is a while whatever, then do it, and then it's very prone to error as well, very sneaky, and I don't recommend it. In fact, now that I think about it, we can change this very easily. Let me do it. Because we know how long is the array. Okay, anyways, I will change it, maybe let me put a comment here. So basically we can go through it, but anyways, it's already there, and actually this shouldn't be 200, it should be inactive dot length or count, no, count, no, length. Yeah, it's a list, but I don't care count. Yeah, exactly. If we look for stuff more than we have, then we stop, obviously. So, because what we are doing here is actually asking for a random one. Any, I don't care, give me one. Okay, I'm gonna check again, and now if it doesn't work, it should give me an error, and as it should be, because you should catch your errors, you should manage your errors. And this is for any kind of computer project that you do, software project, software application programming, you should manage your errors. And not let the player, the user, player, or whatever, with this kind of errors, like error X07554, whatever. Shit. Very good. There we go. Should give me coins, black coins, yay! And they react properly, amazing, very nice. And they give me 10 coins per each, very super nice. And rich, super rich. Yeah, the music is a little bit paranoid, but this is what you need when you are programming. Sorry. So, and yeah, it gave me an error here as well, because it did not find more black coins obstacles, although I don't know if I should stop the play. I don't think so. After yeah, this is more proper, and let me check again. Yeah. Good. Good solution, and there we go. Okay. So it works. Yup. I can actually change this live and say to the, because we are in the chunk number 7, which is not this one, I believe. Yeah. Or the next one. Chunk number 1 is this one. There's one less. Yeah, this one. Number 7 is this one, which is this one. Which, you can see yellow coins. And then I'm gonna change these to coin black. This one is coin black. And then this one probably coin token, just to see. Let's see if the queue didn't go on. Yeah, exactly, didn't go on, and then I'm able to check this. Let me pause it. Collapse may. I want to see this. Clear. Again. Yeah, it works perfectly. Good. Very good. You can see the Jesus, man, annoying shooters. Good. Very nice. So it's included. Everything works. Goed gedaan. Very good. commit on changes. See. Very nice. This is, by the way, the music of the fight. We're getting addicted to it. Okay, perfect. Check. Let me put as well the bundle version is updated. I'm gonna push the bundle version as well. Project settings, so then we all roll in the same kind of versions. Otherwise, we get crazy. Show you a little bit of this, how can I provide this code plus prefab. Go. We commit this. Push it. Pushing. There we go. Okay, great. According to our way of working, this is done. And I'm gonna do this one quickly, save the total number of dice. No, this one. This one is very bad. This one is very cruel for the player. We are gonna save how much time did you spend playing Super Monkey Star. And for doing so, we just need to attach to the whole project one small script, I believe, that I can take for another game. You will need to pull first. Then it's Hoodman. Where is it? Where I put it? Here. For another game that we did. These two, Rat Monoclock and Rat Stopwatch. First of all, Rat Stopwatch is a C# script, a simple one, that just starts. It's how you say that in English? Chronometer. I don't know. Chronometro in Spanish. I don't know if you say that. Chronograph. Chrono? Only chrono? Well, whatever. You know, this kind of, you click and then you click again to stop, and actually gives us the time lapse. And then we need to attach a mono behavior, which is the it's a timer. Yeah, it might be a timer. Yeah, basically, but it's not called like that. But I don't know. But it's a timer, yes. just to give you an idea how much time did you spend, because we plan to put some achievements for the more the more addicted people, and then we can give them a little bit of a present in the game for happiness, more stuff. Okay, so first, I need to save this in my project. By the way, this is super handy if you don't know how to organize your project. I'm gonna put it on utils. Jesus, man. I'm gonna use timer. Yeah, thank you. Chronometer, stopwatch. That's why we put rat stopwatch. Yeah, very good. Chronometer, timer, timer. Okay, and we have the rat stopwatch. So the only thing I need to do now is I need to create the. Let me close this, that, and the other thing. Let Unity compile. Let's see. We need to create another C# script. I'm gonna call it rat mono timer. Basically, well, we are gonna finish the stream in a moment, but basically what I need to do, and it's super simple, and it's I need to I need to call this function every time you start the game, and every time you go out of the game, I stop it. And then I simply then give back the time elapse, because the how do you say the libraries from Microsoft Visual.net, .NET, basically they have a stopwatch already, so you simply wrap around it and that's all. And we did it for a non-mono object there. And then we need to create another wrapper for our game, which is this one, which probably will have asynchronous event calls, I guess. I think so. Basically, I can lay them out quickly. It would be like that one, basically the same than the other one. Basically the same one. these two are not useful for our game. This is the thing. That's all. I'm trying to think something different, but I'm not able to. So probably this is good enough. Yeah, and but yeah, the problem will be we need to save. Yeah, the problem will be we need to save this on disk. We need to make it persistent and everything. And that's also not complicated. We have already a solution for that, but it will take me a little while, and it's pretty late already here in the Netherlands, meaning that I'm very hungry and I would like to go to have dinner. So this is the end probably. Don't forget that you can visit us here at Marike's Magical Miracle in The Hague. You can see it much better like this. La la la. Saturday 10th of June, you can visit us and you will see, well, people dress up like your favorite characters and cosplayers and arcades and manga and game room and Japanese culture and everything, and the venue is very nice, huge, you know, it's close to the sea, the Hague is La Haya in Spanish, it's a very nice place and everything. See you there, and bye bye, and thank you for watching, and till next week's, volgende keer, volgende week. Doei!